Below is a simple guide on how to prepare your design for my automation. So right now we have to these the designs one by one. So what we'll do first is to group all now, and then we had to rename the group like this one. And then I have to make a square. I have to make it as like the size of the group. Now I have to center them. Okay, and then I have to. Oh no, I'm sorry. Select the rectangle. I have to copy it by Ctrl C and Ctrl F, or you have to drag it down and then highlight them both and then right click and then do the make clipping mask. After that, I have to rename this one. And also inside here. And then I have to put this inside the group. So all of the designs will be in here. I have to put all the designs. Your image, all designs. But the text frame will be outside. So right now I have to grab another one. I have to put it outside. And then I will use symbols. Rename it as symbols. And now for the text. So this one is sizes. So I don't use size. I use label. So I have to rename as label. And then the other one will be label. And then here is the name. I have to name. The other is number. Number. Now here's the tricky part. Illustrator doesn't give text frame center. As you can see, the bounding box is not center. So how to make this center? So usually making the center will be like this one. I have to put a guide. The guide is at the clipping mask. So I have to pull this out of the group. That's right. So this one is now the center. So finding the center is a tough job. So I choose name. What I want is I want to copy it. Edit, copy, edit, paste front. The front will be, I will select the front and right click it and create outlines. So now it's intact. What I will do is to make a compound path. Usually I do select then and then Control 8 to make this a compound path. So I will not use a group anymore. Now I will find the center by using this. Look, so this is center. After I find the center, I will grab another line guide and then put it at the side. And then I will delete the compound path and then click the latex frame name here and then move it here. So now I had already get the center. Now for number, finding center number will like this also. Edit, copy, and then paste in front. Now there are two again. So I will now make this as create outlines and then make it as compound path. Now I have to move this on the center. Now it's already in the center. Now I have to move this line here. Wait, I have to close the number. Move the line here, put it here. Yes. So now I have to delete again this one, compound path, and then make way of the number. So the number now, I will move this a little bit here. That's okay now. And now here's another one. Don't forget also that you have to make it align the center. Align center. And then another one. So we have to make this. Here I will find, I have to pick the front side, here the square, to get the center. And then I have to move here. The guide. Yes, so the guide is inside. I have to move it back. I don't want the guide to be inside the group. So I have to delete them afterwards. Now, to find the center here. Okay, it's already centered because it's already outlined, I think. Okay, it's already outlined. Now I have to find the center of this number. Here. So I have to edit, copy, and edit, paste front. Now I have to hide the original one. Now I have to create outlines. And then I have to select again here and then Control 8 to make it a compound path. I usually like, you can do also group, but I usually like a compound path because it's they are merged each other. Don't have a group. Now I have to move this, right? And then I have to again get, I'm sorry. So here I have to get another grid. Yes, I have to put it here inside. Now I will remove here and then make way for the original. So now the original, I have to like that, finding a center. Now it's okay now. So now it's okay. All I have to do is put the guide outside and then delete them. So no more guides. Now I will save my finish preparation. Now I will have to put this in picture. I have to put this in a demo folder. here's another part. Now, I have this, my app to run the automation. So here, select garment type. I have here sizes. So I will just make another tutorial for this. Right now, I will have to run this program. So here, I have to select upper jersey. And then I have to browse for the CSB. So just search for the CSB. I have my client here. So here, I have to use this one. As you can see, this is the CSB. So as you can see, the top all are lowercase, all are name, number, and label. Okay, so, and as you can see also here, label, name, and number. So these are similar. So all the data here it will be go inside here. So now all I have to do is select this one. Now CSB selected, and then what we'll do now is click the process. Okay, now as you can see, it's already done. So what I will do now is to arrange them. Here at the, I'll check the GScript runner. I will click here, arrange and sort. Okay, now it's done. All are arranged, as you can see. And as you can see, all the groups have been named. XL, yes, all have been named. So you can look at that. Okay, I have also a limitation. If you want to limit the names here, like this one, I want to limit them. You are going to put here, open settings manager. Here you can limit the width and height. So I have to limit sometimes. I have to limit them 10 and save the limit here. So next time I'll run the operation, all the text will be limit. Right now already done. As you can see, all are in artboard. Look, the artboard are already named. So what we will do right now is to export them. So I usually do the manual export, or I will do the asset export here. As you can see, there's an asset export. I usually do this before, but due to the limited format, like you can only export PNG, AI, APS, and JPEG. But I want to export them as TIFF. So what I want is I have to file and then click here, export as, and then I am to select the TIFF, and then use artboard range. Here's the one, range 1 to 11, because these are 11 artboards, and then export. So I will select what format, RGB, and I have to check the LZW compression so that the TIFF will be compressed, and it will be smaller in size. Now I will go now to where it is, the picture folder, and then the demo, and then I will hit OK. Now it's writing TIFF here. Okay, so right now it uses untitled. So maybe next time if you want to import, I will show you another style. So usually in exporting I have problems making names. So maybe you have to delete the file name and then use artboard, suffixes, and then export. No. So you can't export, so maybe you have to fill it up. Maybe a team name, Lakers, here. Export, you have to fill it up first. It will be empty. So right now here, Lakers, to XL, Pili 15, Lakers, L, Melabueno 60, Lakers, Molenio, Melabueno. Okay, so right now, I've seen this one. Her names is, okay, font. About font, usually, font, if you have like this, I think you will manually edit it. Okay, just manually edit it, and then you have to do like this, because some font don't have the capacity to be any, don't support any. Now we have this long text here. Okay, so what you will do is you can manually like this or limit it here. I have to undo again. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. I have to open settings manager, and then the name, the layer name, I will get the height. I will limit the name to 10. Here also is a fixed layer size, so this is good for some processes that they want to fix the size of a certain layer. So right now I want this to limit to 10. Then process it. Yes, and then run the GScript runner to arrange and sort them. Okay, it's good. Okay, so as you can see, the Melabueno that is limited. Now it's limited, as you can see. And then for the logos, I will show you how the logo is done. So I have to again back to from the start. Okay, for logos, All I have to do for logo is, all I have to do for logo, example, I have a logo like this one. Then, and this logo, all I have to do is just add logo. Then I have to put here. Yes, here. And then, okay, sample. If you want this one to be not to be distorted, here. So here I have to put this outside the clip, and then I have to group this one into a circle. I will group this image with a circle. Okay, center alignment. And now I have to get the circle fill and then group them. So the circle is invisible, and then I just add logo. That's it. And then put it back inside. Okay, let's test if the logo is, as you can see, it is proportioned because I put inside a circle. Now I have to run it again. Process. And then what I have to do is JavaScript runner, arrange and sort. Done. Okay. Now let's check for the logos. As you can see, it's all the same. Width and height, same size. So this size is 2XL, the 4934. So this is my XL. And then let's go for XL. You can see also the logo is intact. Look. Though it's resized a bit, but it will never distort. It's always have same size, always proportion. So we'll find another one that's fine. So I don't have a small. Large. Okay, look for large. Okay, large. So it's a large. You can see the logo is still intact with the same size. Okay, thank you very much.